Hello and welcome to the ChatGPT Pro channel. My name is Rachel, and I'm here to show you the incredible world of AI avatars. First, let's talk about creating the image. My image was created using MidJourney, a cutting-edge AI tool that specializes in creating lifelike avatars. Next, we have the script. Writing engaging and natural language text can be a challenge, but with ChatGPT, you can overcome that obstacle. Now that we have the image and script, it's time to bring them to life with a voice. This is where ElevenLabs comes in. Finally, we have the video. Bringing all of these elements together is where DID comes in. This tool allows you to create dynamic and engaging videos with ease. Today, we're going to take you on a journey to show you how to create your own AI avatar. So sit back and get ready to learn something new.
So let's recreate the whole process. First, we need an image for which we are going to use MidJourney. Click on Join the Beta button and you will be redirected to Discord. Click on Accept Invite. Now go to Newbie's Room. Here you can easily generate any image. Write/imagine, write some details of image you want and press Enter. It would take few seconds. As you can see, AI has generated 4 images. Choose one from these images. I am choosing 4th image. For 4th image, I am pressing U4. AI will generate single image. Our image is ready. Download this image. Now for script, I am using ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to write an engaging script. ChatGPT will write it in few seconds. Our script is done. Copy this script. Now, for voice, I am using ElevenLabs. Paste your script here. Change voice setting. Also change the name in script. Click on Generate button. Our voice has been generated. Let's preview it.
Hello and welcome to the ChatGPT Pro channel.
Now press Download button to download it. Now for final video, we will use DID website. Click on Create Video button. Add the avatar we have downloaded. Now upload the voice.
Hello and welcome to the ChatGPT Pro channel.
Now click on Generate Video button. Click Generate. AI is generating our video and it will take few seconds. Boom! It's done. Let's play the video.
Hello and welcome to the ChatGPT Pro channel. My name is Rachel, and I'm here to show you the incredible world of AI avatar.
Press the download button to download this video. I have given links of all the websites in description. Thanks for watching.